So if 11c1 upon 2 plus 11c2 upon 3 and so on up to 11c9 upon 10 is equal to n upon m, with GCD of n comma m is 1, that is greatest common divisor of n and m is 1, then find the value of n plus m. So here we will try to use the concept. NCR is equal to n upon r into n minus 1 c r minus 1. It's one of the properties in binomial coefficients. So we can write here, consider 11c1 upon 2 plus 11c3 11c2 upon 3 and so on up to 11c9 upon 10. So here let us consider n minus 1 is equal to 11, so n is equal to 12. So let us multiply and divide with 12. 1 upon 12 times of 12 by 2 11c1, 12 by 3 11c2 and so on 12 by 10 11c9, and this can also be written 1 upon 12 times of 12 upon 2, it's just like n upon r, n upon r 12 minus 1 c 2 minus 1 plus again 12 upon 3 just like n upon r 12 minus 1 c 3 minus 1 and so on 12 upon 10 into 12 minus 1 c 10 minus 1, which is equal to 1 upon 12 times of. So let us use this formula. NCR is equal to n upon r, n minus 1 c r minus 1. So 12 upon 2 into 12 minus 1 c r minus 1, we can write it as 12 c 2. Similarly, the next one we can write 12 upon 3 into 12 minus 1 into 3 minus 1, we can write 12 c 3 and so on. 12 upon 10 into 12 minus 1 c 10 minus 1, we can write it as 12 c 10. So which is equal to 1 upon 12 times of, and here the missing numbers are 12c1 and 12c0 and here 12c11 and 12c12. So let us add. So 12c0 plus 12c1 plus 12c2 and so on up to 12c10 and again plus 12c11 plus 12c12, adding and again subtracting them. So minus 12c0 minus 12c1 minus 12c11 minus 12c12, and we know that nc0 plus nc1 and so on up to ncn is equal to sum of the binomial coefficients is 2 power n. So here we can write 1 upon 12 times 12c0 plus 12c1 plus 12c2 and so on up to 12c12. We can write this as a 2 to the power 12 and again minus, and we are subtracting the number here 12c0 12c1 minus 12c11 minus 12c12. So which is equal to minus of 12c0 is 1, so minus taken common, so it is plus. So 12c1 value is 12 and similar 12c11 is same as the 12c1 because we know that NCR is equal to NC n minus R, both are same, and 12c or NC1 on. So we can also remember NC0 is equal to 1, which is equal to NCN, and NC1 is equal to N, which is equal to NC n minus 1. So we can write here 12c0 is 1, 12c1 is 12, 12c11 is same as 12c1, that is 12, and 12c12 is 1. So 1 upon 12 times of 2 to the power 12 minus 13, 13, 26. So 1 upon 12 times 2 power 12 is, we can write 4096 minus 26, which is 1 upon 12 times 4070, or we can also write 2035 divided by 6. And since it is given GCD of n and m is 1, so we can consider, since 2035 and 6 the GCD is 1, so we can consider this is n and this is m. So the value of n plus m is equal to 2035 plus 6, which is equal to 2041. So 2041 is the answer. So we can write 2041 is the answer.